Astrak are a global supplier of parts for heavy machinery, mainly for the construction and civil engineering trades. We're funded by a private equity company. This has allowed us and enabled us to grow into new territories and new markets. Previously to NetSuite, we had a lot of manual processes and manual workarounds, and we had an on-prem ERP system, which actually wasn't global, wasn't scalable, and wasn't flexible to support us during our growth. The challenges for our customers, we're in a distressed purchase market, so our customers require their parts as quickly as possible, and they have to be the right part. Previous systems and the legacy system we had, the data wasn't always right and wasn't always in a consistent format, which meant we got some things wrong. Picking NetSuite was about creating a centralized place for all our financial reports, our sales processes, but we also have our procurement, our demand management, and our inventory management. All our manufacturing are done in NetSuite, even our customer service processes. And it wasn't about managing different ERPs and CRMs, we could do it all in the one place. It really allowed us to do that process alignment piece, that data migration piece, and really add some consistency to our products. I think what NetSuite did really well from the start, and what made them stick out from the competition, was the customization piece. Not every business is the same, and it was critical for us to have our processes working the way that worked for us, and that added a lot of value to the business. Using NetSuite OneWorld, it has really helped us eradicate any inefficiencies. For example, because of how flexible and customized the system is, we can work with third-party vendors to integrate with them using API technology. And this has really enabled us to retrain staff that were previously doing a manual process. It's really important for us to have experts in our local IT teams and our data and projects team, and we use the NetSuite Learning Cloud platform to help educate our users. So we're not just users of NetSuite, we're customizing it, we're optimizing it, and we're helping it scale the business. With NetSuite, our original goal was to grow organic in the territories that we played in. But using NetSuite and the way we can scale with NetSuite, it's allowed us to use it in our mergers and acquisition strategy. And we're managing to turn that around in almost every 90 days now. And we've gone from turning over £28 million revenue across UK and Europe, and now we're on course to do 110 globally. It really is an enabler to growing. I would tell a leader in private equity-backed companies to look at NetSuite and make that investment. NetSuite is a brilliant cloud ERP system which encompasses everything in your business, from sales to procurement to how you fulfill your orders. And it's really easy to use that to scale your organization. And private equity companies are all about scaling and mergers and acquisitions, so it's the perfect tool.